Hi everyone, this is Kanimozhi, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Kamadhenu Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. In this video lecture, we are going to see about communication. Let us see the definition first. Communication is a word which is derived from Latin language, that is communicare or communico, which means to share information. Communication is nothing but sending and receiving messages or transmission of information from one party to another. It is a process of exchanging ideas, thoughts, expressions, emotions, etc. Then see the process of communication. First, sender. A sender transmits a message through a channel to the receiver. First, the sender develops an idea which is composed into a message and then transmitted to the other party. Developing a message is known as encoding. Interpreting the message is referred as decoding. There may be a noise disturbance in between the transmission. After the receiver receiving the message, the sender get the feedback from the receiver. This is the process of communication. Then types of communication. There are two types of communication. First one is verbal, second one is non-verbal. Verbal communication comes under three categories. First one is written communication, then oral communication, third one is visual communication. These are the types of communication. First, verbal communication. Verbal communication means communicating with words, written or spoken. Verbal communication consists of LSRW skills, that is listening, speaking, reading, writing. This is verbal communication. Then non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication refers to all external stimuli other than spoken and written words, including body motion, characteristics of appearance, characteristics of voice, etc. Non-verbal communication means expression, body movement, gesture, eye contact, voice, touch. These are all comes under non-verbal communication. Then barriers to effective communication. We are facing so many barriers while communicating with others. First one is physical barrier. This is physical barrier. Then badly encoded message. Then third barrier is disturbance in transmission channel. There may be a disturbance, noise disturbance or whatever it may be, there may be a disturbance in transmission channel. Then there is some stress between sender and the receiver. Then semantic difficulties. Semantic difficulties in the sense, if the receiver does not understand the meaning of the sentence, that comes under semantic difficulties. Last one is language barrier. A sender has to use the language which was known by the receiver. So these are the basic barriers to effective communication. Then tools for effective communication. First one is everyone have to clear messages. Then focuses on the receiver. Then use multiple channels to communicate with others. Then get appropriate feedback from the listeners, that is receiver. Use proper pronunciation and be positive with the listeners. These are the tools for effective communication. Then conclusion. Good communication can help one save time and energy and be productive in the workplace and other ways. Listening to the speaker is also an important part of being a good communicator. It helps one understand better and there is an easy flow of communication and exchange of information. When one speaks, their mind, their heart becomes lighter and then only can lead a happy and peaceful life. These are the communication. Thank you.